Alright guys, so they brought us this Toyota RAV4. The owner gave us specific instructions, so what we're going to start off is disassembly. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, so we're done with pretty much everything that's already wrapped here. So the next part is sanding. Let's get to it.
Alright guys, so we're pretty much done sanding the whole entire truck. We already started taping the truck. We're gonna finish. After that, we'll be ready to shoot the Raptor. So let's get to it.
Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap these plastics, but first we're gonna add some adhesion promoter. Let's get to it.
Alright guys, so the adhesion already flashed. All we're gonna do now is just spray on the Raptor. Alright guys, so we already finished prepping up the whole vehicle. All we're gonna do now is shoot on the Raptor, so let's get to that. Alright guys, so we sprayed last night, and what we did, we let it just sit overnight and dry. It got a little bit dirty, but we just came back and gave it a little wash. What we're gonna do now is just take off the paper, tape, and install the front bumper, the grill, everything that we took off. We're just gonna install it back to you guys. So first of all, let's get to taking off all the paper and tape. Alright guys, so we're done with the Toyota. The customer went from a pearl white to a Toyota Super White, which is the name of the color. And guys, the customer did a really nice job on picking out the color. We also went ahead and did the mirrors black, as you can see all the way around here, and also the grill. And it just came out real spot on, amazing, and really beautiful, guys. So just take a look at it. It just looks really beautiful.
You guys took off the railing, took off all the badges, and you know what? Actually, it looks really sporty. It looks really nice.
It looks really sporty and nice, really clean.
Let's take a look around.
Alright guys, so right here you can see the grill and then the texture of the vehicle. It just looks really amazing. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. Guys, again guys, if you guys want us to do any of your vehicles, anything you guys want, Raptor, email us, text us, shoot us an email through Facebook too, since we have a Facebook page. But guys, thank you for your support, and like and subscribe.
Like and subscribe.